me see if we can shake my head to the camera. Hold on. Hey, you know. Alright, watch out, guys. See the bathroom door open? Give him 30 minutes. 30 minutes, door locked. Bro, where the hell you find a 1 Series?
Japan.
This is dope. You know the first time I seen one of these was Jamaica, right? Before they came here.
Like a right-hand drive?
Yeah, any 1 Series at all.
Oh, twin turbo.
Twin turbo?
It's like a compound turbo setup, no? Yep.
Real somebody to do on. This is dope.
It must be hard going through the drive-thru, right?
Can you give me a number 1? And have to stretch across the whole shit. Yeah, that's dope though. That shit really punch like this shit really feel like a car though. Like this shit just pick up and go.
Oh, God, dog! Yo!
I told you.
Yo! What the hell?
I told you this shit fucking lift.
Yo, that shit connect, bro.
This shit literally get up and go.
Bro, my stomach reached my rib cage. Yo!
Bro, this shit punch like a motherfucker. Well organized, what do you mean, Quan?
Yeah,
Blood clot. Guys, the way till we're done, you can say Quan upon yo. I don't know where the boat, bro. I swear, I swear to God, I put everything in that bag, bro. Somebody touched it. Wait, so you just eat?
Just had lunch.
Yo, how you make yourself a meme? Did you see the video of the lady with the cooking oil? She had the cooking oil like, who needs a man? cooking oil in the friggin' motor. Bro, I thought those were like Instagram memes and stuff. This is actually real life. $74.80. Yeah, big turbo this. Really, really big turbo. Yeah, this is how much we hate side skirts. We take them off. Huh? If it's real? Yeah. Carbon fiber? Yeah. It looks real. Yeah, it's real. Yeah, it's definitely real carbon fiber. So this guy has a rubbing issue, so we went with lowering springs, but I think they're just too low and just making it rub, taking off the tire, or more like taking off the plastic, because that's not rubber. He's cutting the plastic up. So yeah, just gonna swap out his springs and put some adjusters, bring it up just a little bit so it doesn't rub. That's about it. We're going to take a test drive out of this car. Alrighty. job is complete. Take it on a heavy angle. Make sure it's not rubbing. Stupid Benz driver, man. Almost got me jammed up. I didn't realize you had the stars in the roof. I think we're good. Yeah, I think we're good. I'm gonna call him, let him drive it to see if we're actually good, but yeah. Alrighty, so yeah, I think we're Gucci. Alright, don't mind my package. Kinda a little bit hard to get out of this car. This is why I didn't opt for these seats in my car. I am too tall for that. I do not like having to hop out. Like that car, I have to hop out the shit every time. This one, I gotta hop out. My shit, I am literally just slide out this bitch like a fat boy. Yeah, so actually you gotta be hopping out of it. All right, so yeah, mission passed. Just back up, yo. What the fuck is this? Keep going inside. Let's go. Let's go up. You work for the junkyard. Come back, come back. Gucci? Good?
Oh, yeah, not good.
Nah, facts.
No sign on nothing.
Listen what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna start a new thing, right? Customers do their own reviews with the camera. So you're gonna put this on, and you're gonna take a test drive.
Okay.
And I don't want you to exaggerate. I want you to just be normal.
Just be normal.
Just have the camera on and just tell me what you think.
All right.
So next clip, he'll have the camera on his head and he's gonna tell you what's going on. All right.
So just go down the block and come back
Go
up.
take a drive and tell us what you think.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit.
You already overacting already.
Nah, I don't know what to expect, son. Alright, bet. We put it in Sport Plus. This is gonna be crazy. Yo, so I can launch it? Woo! 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 Nah, this is nice. This is nice. Oh my God. Car feel alive. Woo! Oh my God. Yo, that's just a downpipe though. That's crazy. Oh shit. Oh my God. This is a whole different car now. Try launching this bitch. See what's up. Oh my God. You always gotta have people that fuck up your fun. Nah. This is a whole new car. This is a whole new car.
Please don't exaggerate, bro.
Nah, it's a whole different car now. It's a whole different car. That's fire. That's what's up. Merrick, you the man.
And you already had the performance.
I appreciate you.
Woke up crazy.
I appreciate you.
Now you're letting off on this.
Yeah. You said what?
Like the Luna Simmons.
You know what's funny? I just sold it.
Talk about no six on this camera.
shit.
We ain't gonna be talking about no goddamn six here, okay? Fuck out of here. So you saying you satisfied, my boy?
I'm 100% satisfied.
Oh, if you slip out and I wear Jordans, bro. Yo, slip out and wear Jordans. Slip out, can't find the slip out.
Hold on. You see that?
Yeah. Alright, slip on. One side slip on. Alright, see that. One slip on.
Yeah, man. We back.
Alright, let's go. Alright, cool. Move the car. What do you mean we gotta do what? What do you think we gotta clean the place for? Jesus Christ. Jeez.
Not even one time. You only come back, check him jaws, star. Check him jaws when he come back. Yo, pause.
I'm two-sided. Hang on, buddy, though. Brother. Hang on, buddy.
Yo. You're gonna be careful when you look up in the mirror, okay?
I'm gonna feel like people too. You want to check right now? Give me the ear and then put me into this car. You really feel too fast, and I don't joke, I'm making a car feel really too fast. So it only took 14 gallons. So let's see what it equates to. So we go back and we see now. Full tank. So I'm gonna quickly switch this map before the car starts to get E85 to the injectors. So I figure it'll take a minute before it gets to start pumping. Well, not start pumping, it'll start getting the fuel through the lines. So I figure by about right now, we should possibly be starting to get fuel up top. So first I'm gonna hold the BC button. Yeah, we're getting the heat to the front now. Car's starting to run fucked out. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Map 4 is E85. I'm pressing hold to confirm that. And now we're on the E85 map. So yeah, let me just confirm that real quick on my phone. So, all right, bear with me. I'm not so good at this, so I probably was on the right screen already. So it's reading E9 still. That means it didn't start getting gas to the top yet. So we're gonna wait for it to go up. So when you switch fuels, this is how long it takes for the fuel to get to the top. So some people do it on the gas station, like in the gas station, thinking it's going to do a difference. It doesn't make any difference. The fuel has to get out the lines first. Like whatever gas is in the tank, it has to get through the lines first, and then it will get to the front. So this just means it hasn't got to the front yet. This is just a living testament that you can't just switch the maps and it'll be good. But it's still really E9 still. Well, something's wrong. Alright, let's just stop here real quick. long it takes the fuel to get to the fuel rails. So for all you guys that want to pump gas on the gas in the gas station, I think this is at least 5 minutes it took to switch over. And it still ain't get all the way to where it's supposed to be. I figured we'd be at like E60 when it starts to add. Alright, I'm gonna drive around lightly for a little bit to get this fuel mixing out properly. But right now it's 510 and it's at 36%.
Yo, you don't know Nicholas Skunk Lifestyle where I represent for Mpowerhouse. Everything up here, so mad. You see the sign around there, so if you're not one of them decal there, I rock on your car right now, it's the slowest thing out here, so that is it.
If you're seeing this, you clicked one. And if you didn't click one, someone else clicked it for you. All this shit talking, now look.
Looking for a
What you
G80,
saying,
man.
man?
Ready. Make sure the
See that
camera is
shit
out.
over the corner over there, man.
Put a GoPro on your car, man.
That shit in the corner
I
over
swear
there,
you would
man.
jump, I'm not leaving.
Yeah, I know.
I'm not leaving, you jump.
That's really crazy. Niggas not trying to take no L's.
Oh, you're here.
Yo, hilarious.
It's quiet.
This nigga is hilarious.
Nigga gonna try to go in you.